Lust is like that. At the start, it feels harmless. Everyone does it. So you think it is okay, but slowly it becomes a habit. And then the habit starts controlling you. You begin to notice your focus is weaker, your energy feels low, your motivation keeps dropping. And deep inside, there's a quiet guilt you try to ignore. Because for a moment it feels good. But the truth is, it is not pleasure. It is a trap. Every time you give in, you lose a little more discipline, a little more control. And one day you look around and realize you are still stuck, while others moved forward. The solution is not being perfect. It is learning control when the urge hits. Do not react instantly. Pause, move, distract yourself. Because the day you control yourself is the day your life starts coming under control.